我们来看一下这一道题 ：Social animals. Dolphins, whales, and porpoises are all social animals, but some species are more sociable than others. This depends on the environment because a species adopts the lifestyle most suitable for this. Among dolphins, forming groups makes it easier for them to find food, reproduce, and gain knowledge. They are safer too, because dolphins can communicate danger when there are threats around. 好，我们现在来精读一下。我们看 Dolphins, whales, and porpoises are all social animals. OK， 注意这里复数很多，这个单词呢都是复数，千万不要读成单数形式。But some species， 大家听到了吗 ？But some 我没有读成 but some species，but some species， 我们这里强调呢是当然是 but 是个转折，但我们重的应该是 but some species 一些，但是呢有一些物种 ，OK，but some species are more sociable。我为什么要把这里highlight 一下呢？你千万不要读成了 but some species are more sociable。我们这里 are more 强调的是更加 ，OK， 一个比较级 ，are more sociable than others。句号 ，This depends on，OK，depend on 是个固定搭配，对不对 ？Depends on， 大家仔细听 ，depends on。Depends on, OK? This depends on the environment. 好，这里有个 because， 对不对？我们看这里停顿 because 前面 because a species adopts the lifestyle most suitable for this。不要读成 most suitable for this 就错了 ，most suitable for this。OK， 这个 t 呢非常的弱，同学们。这里断句呢非常清楚，第一个 animals 逗号句号，然后呢这里在 because 前面 ，OK， 第二部分在 because 前面可以断句，我们来连写读一下 ：Dolphins, whales, and porpoises are all social animals, but some species are more sociable than others. This depends on the environment because a species adopts lifestyle most suitable for this. 好，看这一句 ，among，OK， 不要读成 among。不是这个单词，千万不要发成 among， 是 among，OK？Among dolphins，among dolphins forming groups makes it， 注意 make 后面加了 s，makes it easier for them to find food。这个 d 呢不要读 find the food 是错的 ，find food makes it easier for them to find food, reproduce and gain knowledge.Reproduce and gain knowledge. They are safer too. 不要说 they are safer too. OK， 这个不念 to， 念 to. Because dolphins can communicate danger when there are threats around. Threat around 后面加了 s， 对不对 ？Threats around. When there are threats around. When there are threats around. 所以后面这一块呢，连读要注意一下。OK， 至于断句呢，我们第一个在这里逗号，句号没有问题。Safer too 后面停顿 ，because dolphins can communicate danger 这个 when 从句对不对 ？when 的前面呢，我们有个 tiny pause 就好了。所以整篇文章呢，其实单词难度还是比较容易的。OK， 我们来放在一起读一下。Dolphins, whales, and porpoises are all social animals, but some species are more sociable than others. This depends on the environment.Because a species adopts a lifestyle most suitable for this. Among dolphins, forming groups makes it easier for them to find food, reproduce, and gain knowledge. They are safer too, because dolphins can communicate danger when there are threats around. All right, thank you guys.